Hi guys!
Hi Petite Designers!
In this video we will continue working on project for home. Today we will show you guys how to sew a pillowcase.
We want to sew a decorative pillowcase in the same color as our basket that we made in the last video. This will be our home decor color scheme.
Let's see how this is done. We'll make a pillowcase for this decorative square pillow.
This one looks nice, but what if I don't have a square pillow at home? Can I make it for any pillow that I have?
Yes, you can. You just need the measurements.
Sounds great. And how will this pillowcase close? Will we need buttons or zippers?
Okay, so good question, but don't worry about any zippers or any buttons because we're going to do it with an overlay right in the center back of our pillow.
Sounds great. Looks like it's going to be a really fun project and it will look really nice. Hope you enjoy it.
For today's project, we are going to use next tools. Like always, triangle with the right angles, any size of it. Okay, measurement tape, yeah, like always. Then scissors, and of course chalk or pencil. Guys, please don't use pen. Okay. If you want to make a decorative pillowcase, you can use heavy-duty outdoor fabric like that. That's what we are using today for our project. If you want a pillowcase for sleeping, use more natural material like cotton. You see how soft it is? So something like that. We also have linen here that you can use for both. It's natural and thick enough. Let's measure our pillow.
Okay.
So I measure height and length of my pillow. So it's 17 and by 17, and I already write down our information. So we have height and length.
Here's a very important moment. We have an easy case because our pillow is just a square, and squares, as you guys know, have even sides. Let's say you have a rectangle and your pillow looks like this. Please remember, the long side is the length and the short side is your height. This is how you will be measuring them. Length is longer, height is shorter. So when you have your overlap on the pillow, it will go right here in the middle of your pillow, parallel to the short side.
As everybody has different pillows at their houses, let's calculate the right size of your pattern. So guys, we need to build one square for the front and two rectangles for the back. We just need to know the size for all of this, okay? My height is 17 inches, my length is 17 inches. So I add 1 inch here and 1 inch there, okay? And in the end I got 18 inches here and 18 inches right there. I add 1 inch just to sew these parts together. Okay, so for the back, remember this is my length, right? I just want to remind you one more time, this is my height. So my length is 17 inches. So I take my length and do next. I take 17 and divide it on half. And I get there 8.5 plus 2.5 inches. I add 2.5 inches for the overlapping and for the sides. So total in the end I get 11 inches. For the height, so for the height, let's calculate the height. The height is super easy. My height is 17 inches and I add there just 1 inch to stitch all parts together and I get there 18 inches. So in the end, my back part going to be 11 inches by 18 inches. As I'm going to build right now a pattern for the front, I work only with one layer of the fabric because there is only one part. going to create my pattern for the back. So that's why I put my material on fold and I work with 2 layers of fabric, because remember I need 2 parts of the back. So let's build rectangle 18 by 11. We decided to decorate our pillowcase with lemon, and you can do any decoration right on top of your pillowcase, but guys, please, this is super important. If you want to do any designs right on top of your pillowcase, please do it before you start sewing, before you start connect parts together. This is super important. You should start work with the raw parts first, and then you can start to connect all parts together, okay? We finish work with the front part. We prepare all decoration, we stitch it on, and right now we're going to start work with the entrance edges, so with the longest one. So I'm going to do some finishing or stitch number 8 or zigzag along the long edge on one side here and on one side right there. Okay, let's go and do it. I finished my edge with stitch number 8, and right now I take measurement tape and fold it toward the wrong side, 1/2 inch here. You see, and I pin it. I repeat the same steps for the second part. Done, and right now I'm going to use my machine again and do stitch number 1, regular stitch right on the top edge, right here. Secure the stitch at the beginning and in the end. Okay, this is finishing edges, right? You can see this nice and clean. Here is raw edges. So we put it on the side and take the front part. We put the front face up, you see, and then we take the back part and put it right on the face part with the seam side up. So basically your 2 materials, they go face to face together. You put your rectangle with square together and align the edges, the corners, the sides together, okay? The first part of the first back part, right? And you pin it. Start pinning 1, fix it with your pins 2, 3. I guess this is going to be enough. And then I take my second part of the back part, I put it right again on top of 2 previous layers, and it's go face down. So basically the front and back part, they go face to face together. Again, right now I align these edges here, and I again continue pinning. I'm ready to do my stitch, and I do my stitch 1/2 inch all the way around. I take my chalk, you can take your pencils and measure 1/2 inch and mark line. This is super easy because we should stitch all the way around this square. So we're ready to start our sewing. We start from the top, go all the way around and finish on the same spot, because right here we have our entrance to the pillow, and we're going to turn it right side out to this hole. Now we should finish our raw edges with stitch number 8. So you see this one, yeah, this seam finishing. So we're doing it right on the edge with our machine and stitch number 8. Let's go. And now we are finished do our stitches, and we just clean all threads left over, cut them out, and we're ready to turn it right side out. So we pushed out our corners and they are nice and sharp, and we're ready to press it with the iron and steam. Okay. Finished this pillowcase, and it looks so cute, right? Do you like it? Look, I love this lemon. Okay, it's cute from the front, it's cute from the back, super clean, super nice. So I hope you enjoy this project. So let's do it together.
We hope that you liked this video, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and just leave your comments or questions down below, and we will be happy to help you guys. We hope to see you in our next video that will be the last project for our home decor series, and that's all. Hope you will enjoy it. Bye!
Bye!